cursive Y. You can see that it looks a lot like a U that we did in a previous video, but with an extra loop. Upper left-hand corner, little loop, big line down bump, big line up, down, big loop below that baseline, and a tail. Again, this is a bigger letter. Little loop, big line down bump, big line up, down, big loop below the baseline, and a tail. Take that all the way across. Lowercase y starts and ends with a tail. Tail, little line down bump, little line up, down, loop, tail, tail, little line bump, up, down, loop, tail. Taking your time. Y's, we go in a lot of different directions, don't we? Upper and lower case cursive Y.